Hello, I'd like to share a shortcut with you. When you're selecting edges for a fillet, it can become quite tedious. And in this case, we have nearly 100 edges selected. So as we go down through here, I can see that 98 edges were selected to make this fillet group. And what most people don't realize is you can actually fillet entire features. And selecting a feature is different than selecting a face. So I'm going to use the S key to bring up the shortcut menu. We'll click Fillet. And when I click Fillet, the property manager comes over the top of the tree. But let me make sure all my parameters are set here. Looks good. And then I will single click the name of the feature, or maybe it's a double click. I guess maybe it's a double click. And the tree pops out and I can select one feature, two features, and three features. It's set to no preview, so let's just toggle it. Looks like it's going to fillet everything, and we could click go. So here is a huge time saver if you want to fillet entire features. Just select the feature name.